My name is Samin Lee, and I have just finished Module 1 at Flatiron Software Engineering Bootcamp. For my project, I have worked with my partner Jacob Lozano on an app called Shop and Cook. We used OOP, SQL, and Ruby. To briefly tell about the user story, the user will be able to add items to their fridge, shop for groceries, and once the checkout has been successful, the items will go into user's fridge. Then, user should be able to see possible menus he or she can make with the items in the fridge. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So first, we will create a new account, and it could be anything. We'll just start with my name, Samin Lee. And the password, I'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you could write anything you want. Your name, Samin Lee. Your address, I'll do a fake address, 12 Flatiron Avenue. Would you like to start shopping? Not yet. I will just go into the features of the app. So let's view my profile first and view my info. There it is. My login ID, password, name, and address. I don't want to update any info. And let's jump into my payment methods. So I will add a new card and the name, the Chase card number, just write a random number, 1, 2, 3, card has been added. And let's view my previous transaction. It should be empty. Good. Let's go back to the main menu, view my fridge, and when the user starts this app, the fridge would be empty, which makes sense. So we'll have to add every items the user has in his or her fridge. So let's start with milk, and we use the Vernacular API for this project, and we use the free trial, and it has the limit of 150 quotas. So we used five options for this fridge, but we could have multiple options in the future if we pay for the API. And so for right now, we'll have the hood milk, quantity of 2. Let's add another product. I have hot dog in my fridge. Say, try doghouse checkers. 3 of those. Let's add another product. I have ice cream. Oh, Haagen-Dazs. I love the green tea. Let's have 5 of those. I have another item. Let's have some bacon. Okay. Let's have those. Let's have 6 of those. Not too healthy, right? Let's have some bell peppers. We'll have a pack of 6. We'll have 2 of those. And let's say we use some items. Let's delete some. We could have, let's delete the Haagen-Dazs out of 5. I usually eat 2 per day. So let's have 2 deleted, and let's see how many I have left. Oh, I deleted 3. Okay, so there should be two items left. Good. So it shows the quantity, the item, and the calorie. Let's go back. Let's start shopping. Let's view items in cart, which is empty. To my son, which is empty. Let's see. Find an item. Let's see. So I had a rough week. My partner and I spent a lot of time working on this app. So I think for tonight, I'll have some wine. And we could have this, the first one. So I think the price over here it's in cents. So basically it's $25. We'll add this item to the cart. Yes, we have 2, one for myself and one for my partner. Search another item, and we'll have crackers with those wine crackers. And And let's have wisecrackers, sesame crackers, yes. So another aspect that we should work on is find an API that has both price and calories for every item. The API we're using right now is not so accurate and not so inconsistent with the price and the calories. So if you look at the crackers, it has the calories, but it doesn't have the price. Likewise, in the wine, it has a price, but it doesn't have calories. So in the future, we'll have to find an API that has both. But for right now, let's continue. Would you like to add items to your cart? Yes. We'll have 5 fragments of those. Let's search another item, and let's have some bread in the morning. I like Andes. Let's have these. Okay. Would you like to have? Yes. Quantity 2. Go back. Let's view items in cart. So these are the 3 items that I have in the cart. And if I select it, it also says the quantity, the item number, the item name, and the price. And of course, the calories, it's empty. Would you like to remove this item? Let's say I do. Let's say I only want 1. I'm not feeling too well. And so it should leave with 1 item, which it does. Good. So let's view my sum. So this is a sum, the totals of 1 wine and the crackers, which doesn't have the price, and the bread. So I would like to proceed. And this is Chase, the bank, the credit card that I have saved earlier. And I would like to proceed with this bank. Yes, Chase. And yes, thank you for using Shopping Cook. Your purchase has been completed. For full service, please use our View Possible menu option. Would you like to view? Yes. And if this is the fridge section right now, so if we find a product, there should be the items that I've added in the first and the items that I purchased. Let's click on this. I have 2 left. Good. And let's view possible menu. So we would like to use the dogs, the bacon, the bell peppers, and the bread. That's what they gave us. Okay, the bacon wrapped hot dog, flying angels. What is this? Let's try this. But they don't have the recipe for that. Would you like to choose a different recipe? Yes, let's try this. The bacon, and where's the bell peppers? I love bell peppers. Over here. Let's try this. The same things. Okay, let's try this one. No recipe. Let's try something different. Let's have the bell peppers and bread, crackers. Let's try these 3. Okay, that's something different. Let's try the sesame kale salad. Let's try something different. Let's try the other one. Bread, the crackers, and the bell peppers. Let's try this one, the starter fish. Okay, so this does have other recipe. There are a total of 5 steps. And it's saying that I'm missing some ingredients. Would you like to buy the cod fillets, egg? Well, let's say I'm allergic to egg, but I like cod fillets. So I'll choose this. And it shows the price and the calories of the cod fillets. And if you view my sum, this is total for the cod fillets, but the API doesn't have the data for it, so it's just shows 0. But there is cod fillets in there. Would you like to proceed to checkout? Yes, yes. Chase. Yes. So it should have cod fillets over here. This, the wisecrackers, and the bell peppers. So starfish over here. Okay, so let's say, yeah, I think I'm ready. I have everything else that I need. So we'll click on this one, and you could start, and while waiting for your delivery, you could plan out the menu. And if you go back to the main and the profile and the previous transaction, you could see both of the transactions with their time. And if you click on it, you'll see the items that were purchased, the total for both of them. Perfect. That's it for my project. And obviously, this app needs a lot more work. But considering that it's been 3 weeks since the program started, and my partner and I only had 4.5 days to work on this project, I think it is a success. Some features that I would like to add in the future is adding different measurements to the items, removing items from the fridge once the user accepts the menu, and if the user needs more ingredient and decides to buy the ingredient, the item will add on to the previous cart if it has not been delivered already. So thank you for watching the video. Any feedbacks are very welcome, and I will come back for Module 2 project. Thank you.